We begin in Turkey, where the lira is gaining against the dollar following the bank's 200 basis point cut, reducing that key rate from 14 to 12%. Joining me now with more from Dubai is Paul Wallace, Bloomberg Emerging Markets reporter. Paul, is this going to be enough for President Erdogan?
Hi, Alex. Well, that's a key question. The lira has barely budged despite that 200 basis points of cut being more than the market expected. Most analysts, or the average cut that analysts were expecting was about 150 basis points. The lira has had to endure a lot in the past 6 months. Erdogan has sacked his central bank governor. That happened in early July. And since then, the new one has overseen a whopping 1,200 basis points of rate cuts. Amazingly, despite all that, the lira is actually up against the dollar since the end of June. We'll have to see what Erdogan thinks of this latest move to see whether he's satisfied that it's enough or whether he wants more. The central bank's wording did suggest that it's going to slow down the pace of easing now, and the real base rate, taking into account inflation, is now down to 1.4%. So if you look at that, it doesn't seem as if the central bank has that much more room to cut rates unless it can pull down inflation.